just like we talk about bending the curve down. That's why we picked Alzheimer's, that's why we picked obesity, that's why we picked mental illness. That's 70% of the cost in healthcare today, and we're bending them all down. That means we could, if we continue to execute like this, the people this way, 5 years and 10 years from now, that means that the cost, which is out of control in the world for healthcare, would be reduced maybe as much as 50%.
When thinking about the capital you're trying to tap, not all money is created equal. Folks like Sandy, folks like myself, many others, Jerry has a lot of experience, Tiffany, the team, they can help you identify, which type of fund, which type of organization, which type of angels play across that spectrum. But you should be talking to all of these. So the only thing I would say is, as you think about the stage you're in and you're honest, you're talking to the right type of investor, you also want to understand what they bring to the table. So when you pitch, keep that in mind. Hard business, and they're looking through the lens of, are you one of the winners? Is this the right team solving the right problem at the right time with a potential scalable solution? That's it. That's literally the only question you should be asking yourself when you're designing a pitch to walk in the room, because what you're trying to convince them is you are one of the winners.
My gut tells me that there's so much here, but we're just not the experts in this. If somebody down the road wants to buy us because they're the best at that, God bless them, it's good for them. But if we start losing focus and really derail what our core mission is here and what we're looking to do, and not willing to pull the plug quick enough, that's problems. It's problems.
If you talk to a lot of investors now, private equity guys that are looking to invest in companies, they're beyond are they using AI? They now want to know what's the return on investment they're getting for AI. And the other piece that we're finding interesting is when we do the due diligences, we hear we're doing AI, and then we literally have a separate section to just dig into exactly what they're doing, because you can ferret it out pretty quickly.
I think that all of us will have this blood test, and I think we'll have it routinely, because I don't want it to, I don't hope that's not because you're under investigation for Alzheimer's disease, by the way. What I mean is that I hope it's part of our routine annual blood test every year, and it's not a big deal like I'm making it today. It's just part of routine healthcare. And as me, as a laboratory scientist, I am thinking about AI. We're working with people that can measure voice, people that measure daily activity, trying to get all this information that we have from our smartphones, but also from our biology to understand this, Benny said, make sure that our drugs are implemented much earlier.